today, another look. I say it the same every time. Hello, welcome back. Today we're doing another look. Well, today we are doing another look. So let's get started. First of all, I'm using my Maybelline Master Primer. Now next, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. Right, next, while that's setting, I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Now, the palette I'm using today is, hopefully you can read it, but it's Rimmel's Magnif'eyes Rainbow Edition palette. And I will show you the colours. And the colours that I'm using are these three. So, let's get started. So, all over the lid, I'm going to use this one. Now, on the outer corner, I'm going to use this colour. Now we're going to blend them together, because there's nothing worse than you go plop, plop. So blend. Go back in with that one, the outer corner colour, and just deepen it a bit. Now, under the eyebrow, just under the eye, just to highlight a little bit, I'm going to use this colour. It looked like I was pressing the wrong one, but I wasn't. Just under the eyebrow. I'll just go back in with this one, the first shade, and just do a bit of on the inner corner. Now, I'm going to use this one, the outer corner colour, for underneath the eye, so to bring it round. How's that? Now, I'm going to use my Dream Lumi Under Eye Highlighting Concealer. I'm going to use that now to clean up. Get that up. mascara. Do mascara first. Yes, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara in black. Eyebrows. Thought for a minute I didn't have the eyebrow pencil here. I do. It is, I'll find the words. There it is. Next, lower lashes. Okay. With this pencil, I believe it's Maybelline. It's white. I'm going to go in and just do the inside corners of my eyes just to widen them, bring them out a bit. Now, another coat of the mascara. Now I'll just go under the eye again to clean up after I wipe my nose. I'm also going to fix the outer corners. I'm coming. I've got to fix it. I got too carried away with clean up. Okay. Next is bronzer, and I have so much trouble doing this. I will see if I can do it. There we go. I got it. When I start, I have all my brushes set up in the order that I'm going to use them. I take my glasses off and suddenly brains go with glasses. Blush, I'm using the NYX powder blush. The colour is Peach. Highlight. I have a highlighting brush. Oh, I forgot. This one. This is the e.l.f. It's called Moonlight Pearls. Baked highlighter. Oh, doesn't that highlight? It does. Highlights wrinkles. Okay. I might just get a fluffy brush Just do a bit of major blending. See, there's a difference between what you see and what I see. What I see is, can we get a pick and shovel and get it all off? What you see is something that works. Has to do with the lighting and all that sort of thing. Lips. Lips, I'm using the, well, we'll turn it around so you can see it. There it is. The Rimmel lip liner pencil. Next is the NYX. I can't remember the name of it. There it is there. Hopefully I held it up the right way. I can't see, but that's the colour. There you have it. I know I do that all the time because I have a thing about lipstick on teeth. That's the look. Thanks for watching. Beautiful.